Foxcroft's focus on the individual learner enables us to create an academic program that fits her interests, challenges her appropriately, and helps her find her voice.
I chose to come to Foxcroft because I wanted to experience a more challenging academic curriculum.
Part of my goal in the STEM program here is to provide lots of different opportunities for girls to see the many facets of STEM.
I've been trying new things and trying to step out of my comfort zone. I think that's definitely something that has been harder for me.
It starts with accessing their interests, but then I think we also push them to try all the different facets. And then by the end of their 3-year concentration program, they've really been exposed and truly had a significant experience in each of those areas.
I like learning in non-traditional ways.
I love that I'm able to participate in the Global Studies concentration, which allows me to focus my schoolwork on a topic that I find interesting.
I used the summer learning grant to go to South Africa to work with wildlife veterinarians and domestic veterinarians, both in a small animal clinic and out in the field.
It's helping me develop the skills that I'm going to need when I do go into the real world.